No rubber band, it's big enough. Chain is so heavy, can pick it up. Came with the